Welcome to Spoonful Easy Cooking. Today I'm going to show you a very easy and an exciting recipe for kids. So I don't think so you all must have tried it at home because this is something different and innovative recipe. We have named it Noodle Omelette. Does it sound exciting? So let me show you what I'm going to do with noodle omelette for my kids today. So here I have taken noodles. This is yuppie noodles. You can take any type of noodles which is plain, Maggi noodles or anything which is plain. So my kids prefer yuppie because its masala has got some carrots and veggies in it. So I have kept here 1.5 cups of water to boil. So that we can cook the noodles. We just need just done noodles, not overcooked noodles. So what we'll do, to this water we shall add half packet of the ready masala. Just half packet. Half packet we'll retain for our omelette. Just give a stir. And to this we break the noodles. We don't want very big noodles, so we are breaking these noodles into small pieces and we shall cook it. Yes, here we go. This noodles we shall cook it. I'm sure all mommies and kids know how to prepare noodles. Even the bachelors will definitely know. This is one of the survival thing, ready food, which everybody knows. And especially fathers of the family know how to cook very good noodles. So, right now, let this get cooked. Meanwhile, we shall go to the omelette session. Here, I am taking 2 eggs. Here we go, 2 eggs. We shall just give a beat to it. To this we add the half masala of the yuppie and little salt. Very little salt for the 2 eggs. And just give it slice by masala nicely blend with the omelette. To this we can add whatever is your choice. I have taken 1 small onion finely chopped, tomatoes 1 finely chopped. Here I have taken capsicum, 1 small green chilli finely chopped, and this is coriander. As per your taste, you can add on this. You can be creative. So here we add. We can add a whole thing, right? The capsicum, green chilli and the coriander. Yes. And let's just give a blend to it. Here we go. So our omelette mix is ready. Let's go back to our noodles. Noodles, we just need it to be just done, right? And let the whole water get evaporated. So here our noodles are ready. The whole water is absorbed. Let's switch off the gas. Yes. Now, we just keep it aside. Take a pan. Little gas. There we go. We kept a pan ready. Let the pan get heated up. By the time, what we do to our omelette is our noodles, which is already cooked. Let's add it to the omelette. How much ever you want. Here I have taken the 1 whole noodles. So we can put it slowly. Now let's give a nice mix to it. the whole egg get mixed with the cooked noodles. Definitely do try this innovative recipe. I'm sure kids like change, right? Even we love change. So make it for the kids and let me know the feedback, how they like it. See, our pan is hot now. Let's add oil to it.
Mama, what a nice aroma. I feel like eating it.
I'm making it for you only, baby. I have not started cooking yet. Before that only my child is excited.
And I like it.
Now let's just take out the fork and with a small ladle let's add the omelette. Yes, here we are making noodle omelette, right? And let it cook this way at least for 5 minutes. Keep the flame on low. Low to medium is fine, but not on high at all. Low to medium, please. Let us check what is the status of the side. Yes. Now please be careful at the time of doing it upside down. It may break, so just careful you can do it. Yes. Here we go.
Wow.
Yeah, my kids are excited now.
Mama, it's so tasty.
My younger one has come here just to check what I'm doing it for my spoonful.
Mama, you are not taking this part?
Yeah, I'll take it, Saishu. Here we go. So let it cook well for 2 minutes more. So this is also almost done. Let's check.
Mama, it smells nice.
Yeah, the younger one is not able to wait. Yes, this is. So I'll put the second one as well to show you all. Let's take the rest of the thing and slide it because the oil was almost there. So let it cook. Meanwhile, let us sign off soon. Do try the noodle omelette and do let me know how you find this recipe. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have not subscribed yet to Spoonful Easy Cooking, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more exciting recipes. So kids, mommies and papas, do try this recipe for the kids. Till then, bye-bye from Preeti.